premature graying or hair fall. Don't worry. Today I'm sharing a powerful homemade herbal oil that can help reverse graying, boost natural hair color, and promote fast hair growth. This oil combines ancient herbs like amla, black seeds, kalonji, hibiscus flower, fenugreek, bhringraj, false daisy, ratanjot, alkanet root, and even coffee and black tea, all carefully chosen to nourish the scalp and promote youthful dark hair. And stay tuned till the end. I'll also share internal remedy for reversing premature graying hair from the inside. Let's prepare this powerful herbal oil, step by step. Take a clean bowl and add the following 2 tablespoons: amla powder, Indian gooseberry. Stimulates melanin production and promotes hair darkening. 2 tablespoons kalonji, black seeds, powder. Nourishes hair roots, slows down graying. 2 tablespoons hibiscus flowers, boosts shine and softness. 2 tablespoons fenugreek powder, strengthens hair shafts. 2 tablespoons bhringraj, false daisy powder, fills bald spots and delays graying. 2 tablespoons ratanjot, alkanet root, powder, improves blood circulation to the scalp. 2 tablespoons coffee powder, natural darkener, boosts hair color. 2 tablespoons black tea, rich in tannins, enhances hair color. Mix all dry ingredients thoroughly. Take a heavy bottom pan. Add 500 milliliters of mustard oil or coconut oil if using for graying. Let it warm on a low flame. Once the oil is warm, slowly pour in all the mixed herbs. Stir gently and continuously on low heat. At the beginning, I forgot to add shikakai powder in the mixture. That's why I'm adding it now. Add 2 tablespoons of shikakai soap pod powder into the oil and mix it well. Shikakai is excellent for cleansing the scalp and strengthening hair roots. Continue cooking the oil on low flame for about 30 minutes. Keep stirring in between so the herbs don't stick or burn. After 30 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of henna powder and let it cook for another 5 minutes only. Turn off the heat and let the oil cool completely. Once cooled, strain it using a muslin cloth or fine sieve. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of castor oil and mix well. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, deeply nourishes hair follicles, promotes faster hair growth, and reduces hair fall. It also adds shine and thickness to the hair. Store in a bottle. How to use: apply the oil to your scalp and hair. Massage gently with fingertips for 10 minutes. Leave it on overnight, or at least 2 to 3 hours. Wash with a mild herbal shampoo. Use this oil 3 to 4 times a week. Internal remedy for reversing premature graying hair. Black sesame seeds plus amla powder. To help reverse grey hair from the inside, take 1 teaspoon amla powder daily. Mix with warm water or honey. Eat 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds on an empty stomach each morning. Both are rich in antioxidants and minerals that stimulate melanin production, which restores your natural hair color over time. Diet and supplements. Eat foods rich in vitamin B12, eggs, dairy, fish, copper, lentils, nuts, dark chocolate, iron, spinach, red meat, pumpkin seeds, zinc, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, antioxidants, berries, green tea, dark leafy greens. This herbal oil and internal remedy work together like a power team, healing your hair from the outside and inside. Be patient and consistent, and you'll begin to see darker, stronger, and thicker hair within a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more herbal beauty tips. Your support helps me create more natural and effective remedies for you.